Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix quality. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Netflix is streaming in low quality, then here is a fix how you could resolve the issue. First, open up a web browser and make sure that you are logged into your Netflix account. In the URL, type in www.netflix.com and press enter. Enter your credentials for your Netflix account and log into your account like you normally do. Once you're inside the main homepage of Netflix, go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to your profile icon. Now, click on the account option from the expanded menu. Scroll down and select your profile from the options, and from the drop down, click on Playback Setting. Now, from the Playback Settings option, select one of the desired quality. If your Netflix is streaming in a low quality, make sure to select high or medium. Finally, click the save button and you'll be able to fix your Netflix quality. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.